Our first stunt.
We're doing stunt.
Okay, here we go. On the not yet. Pause it. Go, William.
Now first, I got to show a delicate part of my body.
Can't see you.
Not yet. No. Not yet. Oh, you go.
I'm sorry about that. William, our stuntsman, is a little bit weird. Move, Jack. Go.
The board.
Jack.
Oh, in the ball. No.
I think Jack is a little cuckoo in the head right now. I'm gonna go and get that. Oh, it's okay. Now he's not cuckoo in the head anymore. Let's have William go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jack. I think. I got that all on tape.